Your 2016-2024 Subaru Crosstrek key fob uses a CR2032 battery. When your keyless entry range decreases or the fob becomes unresponsive, it's likely time for a replacement. You'll need a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. First, locate the seam on your fob. It's usually on the side or back. Gently pry it open, being careful not to scratch the plastic. Remove the old battery, noting the polarity plus and minus. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the correct polarity and snap the fob back together. Ensure the case is fully closed. High-quality batteries are recommended to avoid corrosion. A Panasonic or similar brand CR2032 typically lasts 1 to 2 years. After replacing the battery, test the key fob's functions: keyless entry, ignition start, and panic alarm. In most cases, your Crosstrek fob will work immediately without needing reprogramming. However, if the fob remains unresponsive, try cycling the ignition. If problems persist, especially with newer models, check Subaru's Starlink app for potential reprogramming options. While rare, some 2016-2019 models may require reprogramming at a dealership due to electrical faults. Avoid cheap, unbranded batteries, as they can cause corrosion and failure. If DIY isn't your thing, expect to pay $50 to $150 at a service center for battery replacement, including labor. By 2030, battery-free fobs are expected, so keep an eye out for future Crosstrek updates.